Looking to take your popcorn to the next level? Look no further. Today, we're sharing some crave-worthy DIY popcorn seasoning recipes that will elevate your snack game. First up, we have a classic favorite, parmesan and herb seasoning. Simply mix grated parmesan cheese with dried herbs like basil, oregano, and parsley. Sprinkle this savory blend over your freshly popped popcorn for a delicious twist. Next, why not try a sweet and spicy combo with our honey sriracha seasoning? Mix honey with sriracha sauce for a perfect balance of sweet and heat. Drizzle this mixture over your popcorn and toss to coat evenly. For a cheesy and tangy option, whip up our ranch seasoning. Combine powdered ranch seasoning mix with a bit of garlic powder and onion powder. Shake this flavorful blend onto your popcorn for a zesty ranch kick. So there you have it. 3 irresistible popcorn seasoning recipes to satisfy any snack attack. Give them a try and let us know which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes.